Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make slow cooker Cuban sandwiches, and I'll be using my Breville Smart Oven Air. This sandwich is packed with flavor, and these are the seasonings that I'll be using. First, I'm going to start by rubbing olive oil on my pork loin roast, and then I'm going to season my roast with kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, some Sazon seasoning. I'm using a lot of this. This gives it a really nice color along with adding delicious flavor. And I'm adding some granulated garlic followed by granulated onion. You know I always use those two seasonings together. And then I've got some dried thyme followed by some dried oregano. And then I'm also going to season this roast with some cumin. Now I'm just going to turn the roast over and season the other side. Now this is some beautiful, well-seasoned meat right here. Now it's time to preheat my Le Creuset, how do you say that? I don't know. My brazier, and I am going to sear the pork on all sides. Now the seasonings will burn, so you need to watch this very carefully and make sure you do not walk away from this meat and sear on all sides. Then remove the roast from the pan, and I'm pouring in some chicken broth and I'm scraping up the little brown bits, and then I'm going to add in this sliced onion and chopped garlic. And I'm going to let that cook for a little bit, and then I am going to place the roast back into the pan. This is already looking delicious and it's not even cooked yet. Now it's time to cover your roast and slow cook it. So I'm setting my Breville to cook on slow cook, low, for 4 to 5 hours. I did check my roast at 4 hours and it was actually done already. So maybe next time I'll check at 3 hours or maybe 3.5. But this is what it looked like at the 4-hour mark. Oh my gosh, look at that broth. So I let the roast rest before slicing into it. And here I am just slicing it up to get it ready for the sandwiches. I did return the sliced roast to the pan so the meat could sit in those yummy juices. All right, so let's build these sandwiches. And no, I'm not cutting the bread unevenly. The small one is for my 5-year-old. So anyways, you want to cut your bread, slice it in half, and you want to broil the top and bottom pieces. Now to the bottom half, you're going to add your pork, and then you're going to top that with some Dijon mustard and some, what's it called, whole grain? Is it whole grain mustard? Oh no, the mustard with the seeds. And then you're going to top it with some deli ham. I'm using Black Forest ham. And then to the ham, you're going to add some pickles, and then you're going to top it with some provolone cheese, and then you're going to pop it back under the broiler to melt the cheese. Then you add mayo to the top half, and then boom, there's your sandwich. This was so good, full of flavor and delicious. So did you like this video recipe? Well, if you did, give me a thumbs up because it helps out my channel and I greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and tap that button and click that bell. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Hey, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.